Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to delete Instagram account permanently. All right, so let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up Instagram. Okay, now from here, you want to tap on your profile picture here on the bottom right corner. And you can tap on the three bars on the top and tap on settings and privacy. Now, once you're in here, you can go to Accounts Center and you can go to personal details. All right, now here you can go to account ownership and control and tap on deactivation or deletion. So choose an account you want to delete. In this video, we're going to delete Instagram. Okay, now here you have two options if you want just to deactivate your account or if you want to delete your account. So if you want to delete your account, you can tap on this option and tap on continue. And then you can follow the prompt after that and you should be good to go. Alright, so that would be all for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.